from an octopus ringing. Brush your teeth with a magical horn. Call your friend using a fish phone. And do starry makeup. Watch unicorns and mermaids' morning routines in our new video. Good morning, unicorn! Rise and shine! Your favorite alarm clock from the Unicorn Kingdom is waking you up. Hot glue a horn filled with polyester stuffing to an alarm clock. Cut triangular ears out of felt. Hot glue the white and pink pieces together. Cut the ears in the middle. Make them more 3D. Hot glue the ears to the clock. Decorate the clock with artificial flowers and soft pom-poms. Paint the legs of the alarm clock pink. Decorate the dial with pink self-adhesive rhinestones. The unicorn alarm clock sneaks up closer and closer. You can hear it even when you're fast asleep. Every morning is nice when you have such a cute alarm clock. Unicorn is ready to wake up and start her day. Meanwhile, Mermaid in her underwater kingdom hears the sound of her octopus alarm clock. Please, 5 more minutes of sleep. Or even better, 8 minutes. Shape self-hardening clay into octopus tentacles. Roll up the ends and make round suction cups. Shape hollows using a brush handle. Bend and attach the tentacles to an alarm clock. Let the clay harden for 24 hours. Color the tentacles with acrylic paints. Add silver accents. But the alarm clock knows what to do. All the tentacles want to wake Mermaid up no matter what it takes. It swims up closer. And it worked! Mermaid is awake and asleep again. But she realizes she's already late. She needs to get ready right now. Unicorn is busy with her bath routine. She washes her rainbow face. And now she will be cleaning her teeth. But not with a regular toothbrush. She has a special brush for unicorn teeth. Wrap the handle of a toothbrush in self-hardening clay. Press in spiral hollows with a toothpick. Copy the shape of a unicorn horn. Let the clay harden for 24 hours. Coat the horn with gold acrylic paint. Attach a rhinestone to the base as a decoration. Cover half of the horn with clear nail polish and sprinkle it with glitter. Unicorn is happily brushing her teeth with her toothbrush. It is approved by the Unicorn Dental Association, and it is highly recommended for the dental hygiene of rainbow creatures. And how is Mermaid doing? She's brushing her teeth using a toothbrush with a tail. Hot glue an appliqué patch to a toothbrush. A fishtail with sequins. Cover the handle with glue. Sprinkle it with a lot of glitter. Wrap the bristles in foil and spray the handle with acrylic polish. Let it dry. Hot glue rhinestones to the handle. Even a toothbrush has to swim when it's in the underwater kingdom, and it can't do without a fin. Mermaid adores her toothfish. Brush. Unicorn decides to have breakfast with Mermaid. She needs to call her friend with her unicorn phone. Rub a silicone phone case with a nail file so that the glue will hold better. Flatten a light clay ball. Hot glue it to the case. Make its texture look like cream squeezed out of a pastry bag. Cover the entire case like this. Add decorations on top. A foam paper rainbow, beads, plastic hearts, and donuts. Make glaze out of colored hot glue around the perimeter of the case. Unicorn loves her phone! It's decorated with sweets, hearts, and rainbows. You know right away whose phone this is! Mermaid's phone and all its scales start ringing. The sea goddess will answer her fish phone now. Coat a phone case with acrylic paint. Draw strips on it. Outline fish scales. Define the scales with puff paint. Let it dry. Coat every scale with glue and sprinkle with glitter of different colors. Cover the outlines of the scales with purple acrylic paint. Secure it with acrylic polish. Mermaid finishes her underwater call. What a nice scaly phone case! It shines like a magical fish. The scales reflect the light, and now she needs to run. Her friend has been waiting for her to have a cup of tea. Unicorn is taking a morning Snapchat selfie. Where's the unicorn filter? Here comes Mermaid! Unicorn is so happy to see her. We will brew some delicious tea now. Dip a tea bag into hot water, and a baby unicorn will hold it in place. Make a tea bag holder from white super light clay. Shape a body of a hanging unicorn. Make legs with a modeling tool. Attach the head to the body. Add a yellow horn. Make hollows with a toothpick. Add ears near it. Make a tail and a curly mane from colorful light clay. Fasten black eyes. When the unicorn is dry, color the horn with gold acrylic paint. Paint hooves. Attach pink clay cheeks. Cover the unicorn with clear nail polish. You can only find a tea bag holder like this at a unicorn's house. How nice! And here is tea for Mermaid. Her tea bag is firmly secured with a glittering mermaid tail. Make a tea bag holder from polymer clay. Shape a mermaid tail. Bake it following the package instructions. Color the tail with acrylic paints. Hot glue on sequins. Make it look like scales. Add decorative stones. Coat the flipper with glue and sprinkle it with glitter. How cute is this tail? Mermaid loves everything that is covered in scales. But the tea turns out not sweet at all. It needs sugar. Wait a moment. Unicorn takes out a sugar bowl with special sugar spoons. They have custom logos. A donut for Unicorn and a seashell for our oceanic guest. Mix white and pink super light clay. Flatten the ball. Put it onto the handle of a teaspoon. Shape a round seashell using a modeling tool. Press in beads and half beads before the clay hardens. Copy a seashell pattern. Make a partition between the seashell halves with a modeling tool. What a lovely spoon! Mermaid feels like she's at home. And the unicorn spoon turns into a donut. Shape polymer clay into a donut. Attach it to the spoon handle. Cover it with a layer of clay glaze. Attach a unicorn horn and ears. Bake it following the package instructions. Paint the horn gold. Color the donut. Make the middle of the ears pink. Attach self-adhesive rhinestones and half beads. Add eyes with a pen marker and define cheeks with a pink pencil. Cover the glaze with pearly nail polish. The unicorn spoon is sweet even without sugar on it. It's the cutest donut in the world. Unicorn adores her spoon. Drinking tea is so much better now. And now let's do some light morning makeup. Unicorn will doll up her fantastical face. Apply some golden makeup glitter to cheekbones and attach star-shaped glitter. Simple and easy. Now Unicorn's day will be as bright as she is. And Mermaid is looking at herself in her underwater mirror. She wants to refresh her sea hair. Cover braids with hairspray. Use a brush to apply lots of glitter of different blue shades. Fill the space between the braids with it. Secure it with hairspray. Mermaid will amaze all her oceanic neighbors with her shining hairstyle. What a nice way to start the day! Did you like our morning routines for Unicorn and Mermaid? Then let us know in the comments which one you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new Unicorn and Mermaid adventures on Troom Troom.